Well, hello, how you doing, folks? This is Imad with Imad Magic. I thought to take a different approach and do a little bit of magic history and the history of magic. We'll discover a few tricks that are forgotten and rare to find and maybe impossible to find. So I'm going to start with one that is actually a common trick. It is the Chinese sticks. So it is a popular still today. Um, I looked back and I saw this trick called the Enchanted Pillars. It was mentioned in an early book from 19 to printed in 1928 by Walker, Albert Walker, The Secret of Modern Magic. The cool thing about his early version is he gives you improved model and also an alternative method of the working of the trick, which is really, really cool. So I'll go ahead and upload this link. This is a site that takes old open source books that are so old that they're in the public domain, and they kind of share it to share the knowledge. So I'll share the link for this, and just looking at the Chinese sticks itself, I mean, it's not really related to China. And here is a conjuring credit site that talks about it goes to 1584 and in the 1600s, and it mentions the first earlier mentioned is called Solomon Pillars. I found another book here by who is this? Professor Hoffman, Modern Magic, also called Modern Magic. This I'm gonna refer to this book a lot, by the way. So I did find Pillar of Solomon as well. So I'll share this book as well. This book I'm going to be going back to a lot. And there's so much wealth in this book. So you can read this and you can see the methods and different point of view and on how Chick evolved for what it is today. Professor Hoffman, I'm gonna share more to come. Of course, there's a lot to share, but here is there is another wiki page or Wikipedia. History of Magic also mentions that this is my 3D model of the chick. I designed a different. This is a different look. This is the one I share in my website. If you're interested in to get. So what I did is I checked that Ask Alexander site. It's a subscription site, and there's so much wealth in this. Uh, you can look up. I think the whole archive of Magic Castle is in here, and you can search for it. So I searched and I found something really cool. One method that is forgotten, and I put his name here. Harry G. Frank. He he shared in one of the Magic magazines a method to use the magic Chinese sticks to use them vertically. So here, let me show you the video I made of how it looks like performing this and allowing the string to pull vertically, as you can see. And then you take that method and you can do the classical method. Now this is using gravity method. So it's really cool, these resources that shows you even if they are old ideas, it can be revisited, especially with new tech, like improved technology, improved material. We have like better motors, better magnets, better everything. So this is my 3D model, 3D printed with wood filament. So if you're interested in it, I'll share the site as well. Me personally, I don't use this. I use the method, but what I did is I made a nunchuck version. So instead of juggling balls, I can juggle the nunchuck. Of course, I have to switch these Chinese sticks to the nunchucks, and then do the trick with nunchucks with the like a pom pom at the bottom. So this is how I personally use it. But yeah, find the link for Hoffman book. Read the article or his description of the trick, and also the book by Albert Walker. I'll put the link there, and I'll share the 3D magic trick link if you're interested in the 3D model with that vertical method. So thank you very much for watching. We will be sharing more history coming soon. So thank you very much and have a nice day.